we pretty much live out here now. When company come, everybody wants to be on the porch. We have a beautiful living room, but you're right in the midst of the trees and the mountains, and it's just a beautiful place to be. My name is Jacqueline, and I wanted to do a sun porch because I knew that I was going to be in the mountains full time. And I found Joyce Windows, and that was it. That's my family now. They take good care of us, and it's a wonderful product, and they're very, very good people to work with. So my beautiful porch, as you're going to see, was a screened-in porch. And we realized if we were going to be here full-time, that we would need to make this into a room. Our contractor had done another house. Our contractor was working on the porch while Joyce was there, and he said they are so great to work with. They're responsible, they're nice guys. So I called Joyce Windows, and they sent out a salesperson, and he arrived with probably a whole reel of colors to do for trim and the inside windows and the outside windows. And he measured everything, and he did a sketch of what it was going to look like. We've got the sliders on the top. We've got the permanent windows on the bottom because we live in the mountains, and I still want to see my mountains. I didn't want it closed in. So after we had met with Gary Cooper, our salesperson, he then sent two people, Jason and Ed, who came and did all the measuring. They were here a good amount of time, working out the whole thing with us, and then they left. And then we got a call probably a week or so later saying, okay, the order's been placed. And then they told us it would be, I believe 6 to 8 weeks before we got them. We were away in Florida for the installation, and our contractor who had recommended them was here for the whole process. It went smoothly. The place was immaculate. They laid out tarping to go through, because we've got to go through the house to get here. Every day they picked up afterwards, and everything was perfect. I mean, I was here for the bathrooms, so I can tell you the bathrooms was the same thing. The tarp, and every day was vacuumed and cleaned. So when we decided to move here full time, the one bathroom had a tub with a surround, and the other one was just a surround and small. So Gary said to me, we do bathrooms. So I said, come on out. So he came out and brought the different colors and the siding and everything, the composite, and showed it to us. And we decided to go with it. And we got rid of the tub. We're too old to be climbing in and out of tubs every day. And my shower area in the master was very small. And he said, we can knock out that wall and just extend it all the way out. So now I've got a shower. You can have a party in there. It's a good size. I didn't want tile. I had tile in Florida. It was beautiful, but eventually the grout has to be scrubbed and cleaned. This is now just, you take Fantastic and you wipe it down. I wanted seats in the bathrooms. The seats are made out of teak wood and they fold down. So now that we're still young, they're folded up. But as we get older, we'll be able to set them down. The process was amazing. I was here for that. So I watched Dan. They'd go out to the truck to get something, and I'd go and take a peek and take pictures. So I had pictures of what was going on. So I was so impressed with the company and with the work craftsmanship that because I live in a condo unit with 20 units, and 5 people have had all their windows redone. So we're kind of becoming a Joyce family up here. I've recommended to so many people, but my daughter said, I want new windows. So she had a screened-in porch. She has a beautiful home, but she wasn't using it half of the year. And she wanted to get beautiful furniture and use it all year round. So Joyce Windows just completed doing her windows. She's very pleased with it. It was probably one of the best investments we've made. We've knocked down walls, we've done a lot of things, but this now is just perfect. Yeah.